Google solves its Pixel 9 Pro leaks by just showing the phone early. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In an unexpected move, Google has decided to tackle the leaks surrounding its Pixel 9 Pro head on by revealing the phone ahead of its August launch event. Today we'll dive into all the juicy details that have been officially confirmed and what we can expect from this exciting new device. Let's get started. Google has taken an unusual step by revealing the Pixel 9 Pro after a series of leaks provided detailed insights into the phone, including hands-on videos and comparisons to other recent devices. This preemptive reveal aims to control the narrative and build anticipation for their upcoming event at Google HQ in California on August 13th. What to expect at the August 13th event? So, what exactly can we look forward to at this event? Google plans to reveal more about the Pixel 9 lineup and other upcoming devices. In a recent teaser video, they showcased a brief look at the Pixel 9 Pro and hinted at significant AI and Gemini integrations. You can even sign up for more information about the Pixel 9 Pro on Google's online store, which features another image of the phone. But that's not all. Let's talk about the other devices Google might be launching: Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro XL, and Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Recent regulatory filings and leaks suggest that Google is gearing up to launch not just one, but 4 phones soon: the Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, Pixel 9 Pro XL, and the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. With the event just around the corner, we won't have to wait long to see what Google has in store for us. Now, let's get into the features that Google has been teasing. In a recent YouTube short, Google showcased several features for the Pixel 9 Pro, 9 Pro XL, and 9 Pro Fold. Here are some highlights. Capture the perfect moment with Best Take, remove unwanted elements with Magic Eraser, and fix blurry photos using Unblur in Google Photos. There's even a hint at image generation for those scenic backgrounds. Google is making phone calls better with Hold for Me, Clear Calling, and Call Screen to make your call experience seamless and frustration-free. The Gemini AI will assist in summarizing emails, scrubbing videos for answers, helping with writer's block, and even generating images to keep your meme game strong. Other notable features include Live Translate for seamless communication and potential RCS support for better messaging. With all these exciting features and more to be revealed, the Pixel 9 Pro and its siblings are shaping up to be game changers. Don't forget to mark your calendars for August 13th and stay tuned to our channel for the latest updates. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for notifications. See you next time. Peace out.